Hey guys, Dr. David Gulich here. We wanted to do a video today on some things you can do at home for knee pain. We get questions a lot whether or not we treat knee pain, and we see it a lot. But here's some things you can do. This is for basically someone who's got knees that are generally achy. Maybe they kind of like snap, crackle, and pop when you're going upstairs. This is not for someone that has just torn a ligament or has bone-on-bone knee pain. Okay, this is more for general aches and pains. Sometimes if you're not getting the quad, the hamstring, and the glute to all fire together properly, it can create tracking issues. Basically your kneecap doesn't track properly. So we want to do some strengthening for all these muscles in a coordinated way that doesn't put too much stress on the knee. Okay, so you can use a chair to actually squat to. So that's what we're going to do, just a simple squat. We're going to take a little bit wider than shoulder width stance. And the biggest thing we want to do is think about pushing our hips back, okay? So all you got to do is sit back onto the chair, and when you do that, you want to make sure your shins are basically straight up and down, okay? A lot of times when people squat, their knees go way out in front, and that can actually aggravate the knee. When you squat this way, not a lot of stress on the knee, and it activates the quad and the hamstring together. So then you would stand up and push your hips back. Stand up. Make sure you're not rounding your back, okay? It looks simple, but that can be kind of a tough thing to get down, so you would really want to practice that. And for some people, for a lot of people, just body weight is a great place to start. So you can do 10, 20, 30 reps, a few sets. You can do that every day. And a lot of times that will strengthen up the legs so that kind of creaking and popping in the knee goes away. So try that out. If you have any questions, let us know. Hope you found this video helpful. If you need anything, let us know. Thank you guys.